Croeso. Prif Constable, Heddlu Gogledd Cymru Dwi. Hello, I'm Carl Foulkes, Chief Constable of North Wales Police. Since the start of this week, people have been able to travel freely in Wales and into Wales. It's great that we can now rediscover the countryside, beaches and beauty spots, but let's make sure we do it safely. With more and more people on our roads, not just visitors but locals too, now that stay local requirement has been lifted, I would urge everyone, motorists, cyclists, motorcyclists and pedestrians, to be safe out there. As the tourism sector looks to reopen, it will mean that more and more people will be coming into North Wales to enjoy all that our beautiful region has to offer. They will be encouraged to do this with respect for local communities and the environment, but there's no doubt that some areas will be very busy. Welsh Government, local authorities, Snowdonia National Park and others are working with us to ensure that areas are ready to welcome visitors. So if you are planning on enjoying the beaches or countryside, please bear in mind that not all the facilities will be open and to check ahead to make sure to see what's available. Parking, for example, may be an issue. Please don't park on roadsides or across entrances. Not only might it be dangerous, but it could also cause problems for emergency services and local people. There are also some changes this week that have also come in, which I know have meant a lot to many of you, who can now see friends and loved ones they haven't been able to do since lockdown came in place. But social distancing will be part of our daily life for some time to come, so whatever the circumstances, we all need to preserve this and be mindful in busy areas. Whilst we start to get used to things easing up and enjoying areas going forward, again we must continue to look after ourselves and others and remember that COVID-19 has not gone away. Diolch yn fawr.